So I'm going to start up here in the corner, and I'm going to use my circle template, and I'm going to draw a circle. What do you think I am drawing? What do you think is something that is a big circle and we see a lot in the summertime? Yes, I'm drawing a sun. I love the sun so much. There we go. Okay, so we have our big, beautiful sunshine, and the next thing that we are going to draw is some waves over here because I love the beach. I love to swim. So these are a little tough. They go up and over, and then back around. Let's draw 3 waves. Okay, and we're going to draw a little detail here because the top of our waves are going to be a little bit of a lighter color. Okay. All right, so let me see here. You know what? There we go. Okay. You know what I love to eat, especially in the summertime? I love to eat watermelons. So I'm going to use my circle template again, but this time I'm just going to do half a circle. And then I think that'll fit nicely in there. Or maybe we'll use this one instead. No, I'm gonna go with this one. Go. And of course we need some watermelon seeds. Perfect. Okay, the next thing I'm going to draw, I love wearing flip-flops in the summertime, especially at the beach. So over here I'm going to draw 2 flip-flops. Great. Okay, now, I don't know which I like more. Do I like popsicles more or ice cream more? I'm not sure, so you know what? I'm going to draw both of them. So here, we can draw a popsicle. And I'm going to draw a big ice cream cone right in the middle. of course, we need our cone. There we go. Okay, what do you think we have left to do? Of course, we need to color our picture. Okay, you can use the same colors as me if you'd like, or you can use your own. Don't forget, it's your drawing.